Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So today I'll be making another very quick hairstyle braid twist. I want you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Trust me, you are going to learn one or two things. So I'll be using this hair. This is one of the Afri brand, Afri Kinky. I'll be using it for this hairstyle. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe to my channel, please. This hairstyle didn't take me much time to finish this hair. I think I spent like 1 hour to part my hair, and it took me like 3 hours to finish this hair. You know, when you have kids, you have to do 1 or 2 things for them before you finish your hair. So it actually took me like 4 hours. I know if I should do it all alone without my kids, trust me, I will finish this hair like 2 hours, you know. So this is, I'm just doing the the parting work. It's just a very simple braid twist. The outcome of this braid will wow you, trust me. This is very, very nice. Something you can do. It's something someone can do for you, and you can do it. You know, I always tell people to learn how to make their hair. When you learn how to make your hair, trust me, you can do it at your own convenient time. This is one thing I love doing. When it comes to making my hair, sometimes I can be so lazy. I can be so lazy. But once I pick my comb, and I already have in mind what I'm going to do, it doesn't take me much time. So I want you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. If you are following me here, if you are following me here, you have to learn how to make your hair. That is the only way I will know that you are really paying attention to some of my videos. You have to learn how to make it. This is 2025. We have to do braids are expensive. Braids are really expensive. So we have to learn how to make our hair look nice at our own convenient time. So I want you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Trust me, you're going to learn 1 or 2 things. You will learn 1 or 2 things. Trust me. Thank you for coming in here. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm finally done with parting my hair. Now it's time to braid. I'm using 2 strands of the hair, and what I'm doing there is I'm trying to make it a little bit fluffy. You understand? I will advise you braid it down before you start twisting, especially if you have like natural hair, fussy hair like mine. My hair is very thick, so I kind of braid it down before I start twisting it, because I don't want it to be big on the root. So I actually used 2 strands on the first one. I am using 3 strands on this one because I don't want it to be tiny. I want it a little big and kind of fluffy enough, you know. I like big braids anyway, so I want it to be big, a little bigger than the first one. So I added I used 3 strands on this second one. This is how it's looking. I kind of like it. I like it. It's big. It's big. I think I like it, and it's fluffy too. So it's actually beautiful. finally I'm done my 4 hours hair. I'm done. That is me doing the hot water set. You have to do the hot water setting to relax it a little bit, So I am done and I'm happy I have a new hair. And this is the final look. I added some accessory to make it look beautiful. And it's actually beautiful. It came out the way I wanted. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next video. Thank you so much.